Hey dear learners, welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we are going to explore one of the most important and interesting verbs in the English language, the verb to be. By the end of this video, you will know its forms, how to use it in sentences, and how to sound more confident in English. So let's dive right in. What is the verb to be? The meaning of the verb to be is simply to exist, or to be in a certain state, or to possess certain traits. It is one of the shortest verbs in English. It is an irregular verb because it completely changes its form in each tense and in the singular and plural form of the first, second, and third person. It's like the backbone of English sentences. The verbs to be are am, is, was, are, were. They are used to describe or tell us the condition of people, things, places, and ideas. For example, they could tell us the subject's age, nationality, job, or other traits. Now, let's look at the different forms of the verb to be. These change depending on the subject of the sentence and the tense. The verb to be forms in the present tense are am, is, and are. These forms of verb to be differ in usage. So here is the trick. Am is used with the first person singular subject, I. So you have something like, I am a girl. I am a student. I am happy. I am from New York. Then is used with a third person singular subject. He, she, it, or a singular noun. For example, he is a doctor. She is tired. The cat is sleeping. It is cold today. And the last of them is are, which is used with the second person singular and plural subjects. You are my friend. Are is also used with the first person plural subjects. We. So we have something like, we are ready. Are is also used with the third person plural subject, they. They are playing soccer. It is also used with other plural nouns. So we have something like, the books are on the table. The verbs to be in the past form are, was, and were. Their usage also depends on the subject of the sentence. And here is how they work. Was is used with the first person singular subject, I. The third person singular subjects, he, she, it, or other singular nouns. Examples: I was tired yesterday. He was at the park. She was excited about the trip. The dog was barking earlier. And for where is used with second person singular and plural subjects. You. First person plural subjects. We. third person plural subjects, they, and some other plural nouns. Examples: you were very helpful. We were playing soccer. They were late to the meeting. The children were laughing. We've come to the end of part 1, guys. In the next part, we will explore the different uses of the verb to be in more detail. Stay tuned.